Do you want to learn some quick automation tips when working with automation points in Logic? So check this out. If you have a project like this, and let's say you want to add some automation points to, let's say, these strings here. Okay, so there are several ways you can add and change automation points, but the main way is to, of course, press A to go to the automation mode, and then you can change what lane you want to change, or you can go into the MIDI editor in this case and change what automation you use here. So if we just go here and check the volume automation, let's say, if you want to add 1 point, you can click anywhere on this line, or double click anywhere outside it. Or if you have the automation pencil tool, you can single click anywhere to create automation points, single automation points. But that's not the real trick. The real trick is adding more automation points at the same time. So check this out. If you just hover your mouse here and then hold down Shift and Option, let's say you want to have the pointer tool, Shift and Option, and then drag like this, a region like that, watch what happens. You automatically create 2 automation points, one at the left side and one at the right side. So you can use this technique to add like so, and then create some, some waves of automation, if that's what you're into. Or let's say, if we go back here, by the way, you can hold down the Option key and then left click here, and then you select every automation point. And then if you double click on it, or hold the Option key and double click, and then delete it like that, you get rid of all automation points. Now, what you also might want to do in some cases is just ride the automation instantly up or down, and that way you need 1 point here, and then another point on top of it so you can drag it down, and another point at the right side, and on top of it so you can drag it down. You can use this technique, hold down, Option. Let's in fact check this in the piano roll editor because it's the same features here. Shift, Option, drag out 2 automation points, but Shift, Control, Option, and you activate the automation curve tool, which you can use to, well, make curves for automation. But you can use this technique to select while you have Shift, Control, Option, and watch what happens. It looks like 2 automation points, but it's actually 4, because if I just click here and drag down, you can see. You can use this to create a bump like that and then go down immediately. And then after you created this, you might want to, whatever you want to do, drag them up or down. Now, another thing you may want to do is to copy your automation throughout the region. So let's say you have a ramp up and down like this. Then, let's say you want to copy it to the next chord. Just select those 2 here, those nodes. Hover your mouse here, hold down the Option key, left click and drag out, like that. And then let's say you want to copy all out the rest of the region. Do the same thing again. Left click, and then hold down Option key while you drag, and now you have. So a bit fast motion there. Let's say you want to redo that. Just select this. Let's say you want to have it more slowly like that. Just do it once. Hold down Option key. Drag it out. And you have this riding wave pattern. Like that. And also, let's say you want to copy this automation you just created here on the modulation on the strings, dynamics, to another track. So what you want to do is hold down the Option key, double click on one of the automation points, which will make sure that you select all the automation points for this selected automation, then Command C for copy, then go to, let's say, the quiet track here, and make sure your playhead is at the beginning, Command V to paste, and now you have the modulation, which is dynamics for the choir as well. Like that.
Now choose which video you are going to watch next, or you can check out the amazing bonuses in the video description.